My Jamaican husband eating American Thanksgiving food.
I don't know. What is all this? What
So
is
that's
this?
jambalaya. This is jambalaya. That's stuffing I made from cornbread and one from stovetop. And then this is greens, macaroni and cheese, and turkey wing.
Okay. I eat turkey. I ain't worrying about this.
You gotta try that.
No.
That's American. We gotta try
No.
it. He don't know what. You talking about him? Oh.
I ain't trying shit. I don't know.
You don't know? What? Try the one next to it.
What is this?
That's stovetop dressing. Stuffing, I guess y'all call it. People call it stuffing.
I don't like it.
You don't like neither one? One is from the box and one is from cornbread. From scratch, cornbread.
This one is better.
Oh, you like the cornbread one?
Yeah.
Okay. Try the greens.
We're gonna green this. Collard
Collard greens.
Collard
Collard greens, not a collard. They alright?
Okay.
Okay, it's
What's
okay.
this in it?
Turkey. Smoked turkey.
Oh.
Good.
Want chicken?